Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall authorized .NET scripts from your checkout UI, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your website's backend or content management system. Navigate to the section where your website files or scripts are managed. Look for the folder or directory where your checkout UI scripts are stored. Identify the specific authorized .NET script files you want to uninstall. Make a backup of your current scripts. This ensures that you can restore your site if anything goes wrong. Once you have a backup, proceed to select the authorized .NET scripts. Delete the identified script files from your directory. After removal, check your website's code for any references to the authorized .NET scripts. Remove any leftover references to prevent errors. Next, locate your checkout UI settings in the backend. Ensure that any payment options set up related to authorized.net are disabled. Verify that all payment forms are correctly configured without authorized.net dependencies. It's critical to test your checkout process after removing the scripts. Make a test purchase to confirm that the checkout UI is functioning properly. If errors occur, review the previous steps to identify any missing removal. Clear your website's cache to ensure all changes take effect. Lastly, monitor your website for any issues over the following days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for